When overlanding, you quickly realize that comfort makes or breaks a long day on the trails. Today, we're fixing one of the biggest interior complaints on the modern Ford Bronco, that rock-hard factory center console. This is the Mabett Center Console cover for the Ford Bronco PU leather version. It's designed to fit all 2021 and newer full-size Broncos. Installation couldn't be simpler. No tools, tape, or permanent modifications required. Quick pro tip. Look at the ends. The side with the more pronounced angle goes towards the back of the console. Just pop the console lid open, hook that front edge, and stretch the elastic bands right over the back of the lid. Slide it into position, smooth down the sides, and close it up. It fits tight, securely, and looks entirely factory. Let's go for a drive. Putting some miles down on these gravel and dirt roads, the difference is immediate. It replaces the rigid plastic feel with a thick cushioned layer that actually absorbs the vibrations of the trail. It stays firmly in place without sliding around, even when the suspension is working hard. Your forearm stays firmly planted, letting you focus on picking your line instead of nursing a sore elbow. Testing it out on the rough gravel roads today completely sold me on it. The padding reduces fatigue on your forearm significantly when the cabin is shaking. Looking ahead, I can already tell that this is going to make long-distance overlanding adventures and hours of highway driving drastically more comfortable. Overall, it's a high-quality, seamless upgrade that solves a major interior flaw in just under 2 minutes. Find your trail, drive your nature.